All right, everybody, just in case you're wondering, I'm not wearing the same outfit and I have left this room over the course of the past couple of days. Okay, the only reason I'm wearing the same thing as I did from last screencast is because I'm shooting this right after it. All right, so that is why I am still here in the basement with the Eagles Fathead and still wearing Brent Selleck number 87. Okay, now, all right, so today's assignment is very simple. You are going to open up this little worksheet that we have right here that you see right here. You have seen this kind of stuff before, a little green history. You are going to type in your full name first and last. Some of you are still not doing that. All right, so you would type in your full name and you would hit next. All right, little green history. Read the little descriptions here. The first settlements in America were sustainable. Native American villages were not crowded. They had small populations and include space for gathering food, making needed items and activities like worship, and government. They used some natural resources, but most of them were replaced by nature. So that's talking about Native Americans and how they are sustainable. So the first question, what does the word sustainable most closely mean? All right, once you have that answered, you are going to go to the next one. Okay. Let me just see. All right, once you answer that, you can go to the next. Okay, here's the next page. Earlier European American cities were also small, but they were sometimes crowded. Often they depended on trade to get enough food or resources. The question, do you think European American cities were sustainable? Explain your answer. All right, and you type it in here. All right, now remember you just answered the question what sustainable meant. Using that, do you think early European American cities were sustainable? Okay, and you would use this little paragraph, that's 2 sentences, to base your answer off of. All right, after you answer that, you hit next. Americans began to settle farther inland. You would read this and then answer the multiple choice question we have right here. And then that's submit. Okay. After you do that, you are going to then watch the review of this so that we can kind of get to the bottom of these answers so that we know what's coming next. All right, and that is it. I'll see you in a little bit after you do this worksheet.